Hey students, a very good morning to all of you students. I am Ananya Modgal, class developer of Emerging 2. And students, today this is your very first session. In this session, we are going to cover our English subject. So you all have to be ready with your English book. This is your child-centric English perfection toolkit, one of two joyful day. So students, I am waiting for you all. You all have to be ready with your English book. Plus, a sharp pencil is there with you. That is must. Okay, so hurry up, please. Be ready. Then we will start our today work. Okay, students. I hope so that now you all are ready. So let's open your book. This is my book. You all have to open your book and come on page number 2929. As you know that in the previous session we will do written practice of UE words, right? So today we will do oral work. We will read the passage. So we will continue with the previous worksheet. It's your page number 2929, which we already started in the previous sessions. See, the number is mentioned below. Okay. So students, as you know that we already covered the first half of this page with these vocab. Today we will read the passage related with the UE words. Okay, the format is same. That the very first day when I'll introduce you a new unit, I will introduce you with the sound, with related words. Next day, we will do the written practice of all the words which we covered, right? And next day, what we will do, we will continue with the second half where we have to read the passage and improve our reading skills. We also revise lots of the new words as well as the previous words we will cover in the previous sessions, right? So that is the same format which we repeatedly followed since from our tier 1, right? So let's start now. We have to cover this passage. So now we will read the information given below. Afterwards we will read this passage. So students, the very first information is read out the passage above. Okay, so we all have to read this passage carefully. You have to understand it because related to that there are few questions which I gonna ask you and you all have to answer me. So you all have to read the passage carefully. Okay. The next is divide children into parts. Have one child talk like she or he on a mic, and other child hold their hand against his or her mouth to mute the sound, then reverse role. Okay, so that activity should be held at school, so it is not feasible at home. So you can skip this activity, students. So we will done with the first part, right? We will read the passage and we will ask few questions related to that, and you all are have to give me answers, right? Let's start now. So first of all, we will observe the picture. What is given in this picture? So students, you will see this picture. What is this? We will do it in our previous sessions, right? This is a mule. So in this passage, there is a picture of mule. This is a mule, right? Let's start now. We will start over here. Put your pencil over here and start reading. So students, from this passage, you will learn lots of the UE words. So read it carefully. Le, Luke, Luke, was, a, no ice. See, this is the IE word. No ice. अगर आपने practice करी है, if you did revision lots of the time, so you have no issues while reading the words. Okay, so that's why I'm saying when you are coming to your new concept, don't forget you have to revise the previous one also. Okay, so Luke was a nice mule. Mule. Okay, ये जो mule है, what's his name? His name is Luke. So Luke was a nice mule. Luke क्या था? एक अच्छा mule था. Okay, now we will start with the next line. He, he, were, lived in a huge, huge and a pen. So the mule lived in a huge pen. With whom? With other mules. Pen क्या होता है? It is a small piece of ground which is fences around it. Okay, जिसके around क्या होते हैं? Fences होते हैं. So that is a pen. Okay, pen आपका dot जिससे आप write down करते हो. It is there is another pen also that is a small piece of ground with fences around it जहाँ पर mule रहते हैं, right? So वो कहाँ रहता था? He lived in a huge बड़े से पेन में रहता था with other mules अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. Okay, a girl name June. A girl named June took air care of the mules. So who took care of mules? A girl named June. A girl थी. Her name is June. She took care of the mules. वो सारे mules की क्या करती थी? अच्छे से देखभाल करती थी. She take care of all the mules. Okay. Now start with the next sentence. June play played played the tunes. What she played? She played tunes. Where? On her flute. Flute क्या होता है students? That is a musical instrument जिससे different different आप sounds produce करते हो, tune produce करते हो. Okay? So the girl named June played ट्यून्स ऑन अ फ्लूट. वो क्या करती थी? वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ट्यून्स प्ले करती थी ऑन हर फ्लूट. राइट? ओके. शी प्लेड फॉर द म्यूल्स. वो किसके लिए डिफरेंट साउंड प्रोड्यूस करती थी? किसके लिए डिफरेंट ट्यून्स प्रोड्यूस करती थी? फॉर द म्यूल्स. ओके, सारे म्यूल्स के लिए. So, Luke liked June's tunes. So Luke था a nice mule. He liked her tunes very much. So he liked to hear tunes. उसको tunes सुनना जो फ्लूट में प्रोड्यूस होती थी उसको वो बहुत पसंद था. Right? He liked to sing too. उसको गाना गाना सिंग करना भी पसंद था. The mules looked cute. So the mules, all the mules looked so cute when they sang to the tunes. When the girl played tunes, so all the mules sang with her. So they all looked cute. When all of them sang together, so they all looked so cute. Right? So students, this passage is all about mule, and here we learn that a girl named June took care of all the mules and she played tunes on her flute, and all the mules liked that a lot and they all sang together on her tunes. Right? So this was your short story about mules. So now we are able to give answers of above questions. So let's start one by one. We will read question and then we will take on the right one. So let's start. You, Liu, lived in a world where he lived. Then the and a den or per and a pen. Which one is the right one? You have to tell me. Ma'am, pen. Very good. Yes. So here you have to put a tick. Right? Okay. The next is dash took care of the mules. So you have to tell me the answer. You know you need not to see the above options. You must know who took care of the mules. What's the girl name? June. Very good. So this one is your right answer. Right? So June played tunes on her what she has on her flute. flute, flute. So the very first option is right. Okay. Liu likes to sing or the answer dance. What he likes? He likes to sing, right? Because all the mules sing together on her tunes, right? So that's your question. Now there is one more question. This question you have to write in your English notebook. Okay? Who looked cute when they sang? So who looked cute? Okay, students, you can also write your answer over here. We will write one word answer. Okay, who looked cute when they sang? See, your answer is here. The mule looked cute when they sang. So here you can also write the one word answer mule, only mule. Otherwise, in your English notebook, you have to write the full sentence. The mule looked cute when they sang, right? So here you can write mule, M U Mules, muse, right? You can also write your answer in your English notebook, but in full sentence. The way it is asking, you have to give your answer in the same way. Who look cute? You have to write your answer in this way. But not over here, not in your notebook. Sorry, not in your English book. You have to write in the English notebook where you do practice. The THE, the mules, M U MULES, mules. The mules looked, looked. The mules looked, LOOKED. The mules look cute. The mules look cute. Cute when they sang. Right? So the rest of your answer is from your question when they sang. Okay, so here you also have to write when, WHEWHEN, when they, THEHEY, when they sang. So wait, okay, here I'm writing again sang, S A G, sang, right, students? So this one is your English part. First of all, I'm giving you some time. You have to complete it. Then we will come to your creative part. So hurry up. I'm waiting. Okay, now students, I hope so that you all are done with your English part. Now come back to your creative work. In the previous session, I introduced you that we will do grain pasting. That is a new concept, new artwork to you all, right? So today, what we will do the grain pasting, and you all have to be ready with the material which I told you yesterday that you all have to collect that material and be ready for tomorrow, right? So again, I am repeating one more time that what you all have to bring out for complete this task, right? So I'm writing over here. Along with it, I'm also saying what you all have to bring, right? So the very first thing is your grain paints. It should be of any color, right? Yellow, orange, or two colors you need, right? So it should be yellow or orange, or you can also bring orange and green, yellow and green. It's your choice, whatever you want to. Okay, the next thing is Fevicol. That is must. Okay, you don't have to forget Fevicol because for pasting it is necessary. If you have glue, so you can also bring that. So Fevicol or glue. Glue, glue, right? The next thing is grains, which I told you should be of any color, yellow, green, orange. Okay, but two grains you have to take, right? Two color. The next is your paintbrush, right? If you have paintbrush, so you all have to carry it with you because it will help you, right? So all these three things you have to be required. So let's start now. Fine, students. So students, as I told you that you all have to draw a flower. It should be of any shape, right? So I'll prepare this. Fine. So now what I have to do, first of all, I will take my glue or Fevicol, whatever is there with me, and then I will apply it. Okay. So students, I am taking my Fevicol or glue and apply over here, right? So I am applying it. See, first of all, I have to apply few drop over here, and with the help of paintbrush, I will spread it equally, right? I will spread it equally. You can take any of the part, right? I'm taking the very first petal and apply the glue first. Then you have to spread it with the paintbrush. Evenly you have to spread it, right? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि in some parts ज़्यादा फेविकॉल है, in some parts नहीं है, right? So that's why we are using paintbrush to spread it evenly. After that, what you all have to do? You have to take grains and apply it. What you all have to do? You have to take your grains, right? I am taking the yellow one and I will apply it, right? Paste it on Fevicol like this. Okay, it will look like this, like dotted parts. Okay, so in this way you have to take one grain and paste it like this, the way I am pasting, right? So in this way you have to paste your grains over here, right students? So see, one by one you have to cover whole and no part will left blank. You have to paste it in this way, right? Once you will find that this is ready, this part is done, no part is left blank over here, it's done. Now in the same way you have to do with the rest parts. Okay, apply glue with the help of paintbrush, spread it evenly, then paste your grains. So here in all of these petals I will paste yellow grains. Which grains? Yellow grains. Okay, so let's start now again. So I'm pasting over here yellow, my yellow grains, right? No portion will be left, students. You have to paste it in this way. Closely packed होने चाहिए आपके grains. So students, hurry up, do it fast. What we are doing, students? We are doing the grain pasting. Okay. So I'm done with this petal also. In the same way, I will do this one. Firstly, I will apply few glue, then with the help of paintbrush I will spread it evenly, and then I will take my yellow grains and paste it in the same manner the way I will paste it in the very first one. Okay, so complete this task, students. Afterwards I will tell you what you all have to do. This is my artwork, which is incompleted till now, but it will take time. Okay, so now I'm done with this part. I'm coming to the next one. Okay, why you don't have to apply glue in the whole shape? Because if you are apply glue in the whole part, so it will dry. Okay, so आपने small small portions लेने हैं. Firstly apply the glue in this part and then covered it. Then apply glue in this part, covered. Okay, but अगर आप whole में glue one time ही apply कर दोगे तो वो फटाफट से क्या हो जाएगी, dry हो जाएगी. We don't want this. Okay, so now let's start now. We will do this part also. Let's finish it fast. See, it will look nice now. Yes, it does look nice. You have to wait, and then you will find that that is a good artwork. Have some patience. So we are done with this, students. Now, what you all have to do is apply glue in this part, right? I'm telling you. So with the help of Fevicol or glue, firstly you will apply the glue in dots. Okay, you will in this part only. Don't apply glue in these all parts. Okay, आपने parts में work करना है. You have to divide the portions. Firstly you will apply the glue in dots. Then you have to take your paintbrush and then you have to spread it evenly. Right, paintbrush की help से आपने क्या करना है, उसको spread करना है evenly. Once you will find that it is spread evenly, then again you have to take the another color grains. Okay, I am taking the orange one. You can take any one. You can either take green, orange, okay, whatever is your choice. So I am taking the orange one and then I will paste my grains over here. It should be closely packed, students. So in this way you have to paste your grains over here. Hurry up, complete it. See, it will look nice, students. So students, see, in this way you have to complete it. Okay, now we will do it the same way. Firstly, you all have to apply the Fevicol with the help of paintbrush. You have to evenly spread it and then paste your grains. Okay, hurry up, do it fast. So in the same manner, you will paste your grains. So now we will done with this part. Now in the same way you have to do with the rest part. Last portion you have to complete it in the same way. It's look beautiful. Yes, it's look beautiful. So this is your artwork, grain pasting. You can also do grain pasting at your home on some occasions like Diwali, Dashera. Okay, what you have to do, you have to draw any picture. You can draw a picture of heart, anything, and then you have to apply glue. Then, with the help of different color grains, you have to decorate it. Okay. So this Diwali we will do grain pasting. Okay. Today you come to know that how we will do grain pasting, right? So we will start with the last portion. Let's paste grains over here. Okay. So here we are pasting our grains. Our art sheet is ready to complete in few minutes. It will take some seconds. Now it's ready, students. Okay, so we have to cover this also. So if you have the different color grains like green color, so you can use green color grains, and in the same way firstly apply Fevicol and then evenly spread it and then paste your green color grains. Otherwise, you can do it with the same color, yellow color, orange color, whatever you want. So, students, this is our art sheet and it's look so beautiful, so beautiful. So, you all have to complete this task by today. In the same way, you have to follow the same steps which I am going to share with you. Okay, and then capture a picture and then share it to me. Okay, so I hope so that you like this activity very much because this is very simple or easy doing activity which you can also use to do at your homes in your festivals, right? So that's it for today. Have a good day, students. God bless you all. In this session we will cover our English subject as well as our creative. So you all have to do it properly. If there is any doubt, so ask.